Hey everybody, it's Lisa Niven Kelly here for Beaducation.com, and I'm about to change your life. We just got in the crystal Katana tool, which is a tool that helps you place flat back crystals. And I know you know how fidgety and annoying it is to pick those little guys up. Comes with some awesome instructions in the packaging, but I'm going to show you how I like to use it. So right now, lots of people, myself included, are doing this amazing design where you use our crystal setter punch, and we have a couple sizes of this, to punch this perfect little divot in metal. And that creates a spot for these little crystals to go and rest right in there with a little bit of glue and sit in there super safely. So the annoying part of this process is getting these into the divot. Before this tool, I would kind of push my finger on it and then try to place it where it needs to go, but it sticks to your finger, or maybe you use tweezers or pliers or something to try to pick it up and place it, but it always turns like it just did. But this dude has this nice, maybe it's not a dude, this chick has a really nice wax tip here. Take it, place it against the crystal, and it just grabs it, and then you can place the crystal wherever you want. I sort of place it down and swipe the tool away, pick it up again, and put it right in the divot. Can you stand it? Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. So all right, let me get some glue and I'll actually go ahead and place these in here. I like to use hypo cement because it's got this awesome tiny little applicator. You don't need much glue. If it comes oozing out, go ahead and wipe off the little bit that comes out, because you just want like a teeny little dab. And then with my crystal katana, I'm gonna just pick up crystal, place it right in there, pick up the other one, place it right in there, and then flip it and use this side to either move it around if you didn't get it in place or lightly press it down. There we go. Boom, it's that easy. Check it out. I hope you love this tool as much as I do.